welcome to Ethan's Toy Reviews.
Yay! Okay, so what toy have we got today, Ethan? Jupiter, Fireman Sam. And this was probably your first Fireman Sam toy, or one of them? Maybe.
The doors can open.
Okay.
That's really easy to open.
Okay, so the doors open really easily.
They're not tough like that.
Okay, so they don't click shut.
Yeah, those are a bit tough.
Okay, so this is it here. This is the toy you get. Does it come with a figure? Can you remember?
No, it doesn't come with any figures.
Doesn't come with any figures, okay. And you've had your one quite a while, haven't you? So there's a little bit missing, isn't there?
There's a hose which comes on the ladder but with your stars.
Okay, so that usually is on the back there.
Yeah, so it will be a hose like that.
Okay.
But this is a radio controlled Jupiter.
Okay, so should we do a review of that another time? The radio controlled one, yeah? So it looks like that, the hose on the back of this one. So let's tell everybody about this normal Jupiter one.
But it doesn't matter if you've lost stars there, because it comes with a hose in it.
Okay.
Well.
Wow, that's good, isn't it?
What?
Wow. So that's how you can put out the fires.
Yeah. And
we was talking earlier, wasn't we, about how easy it is or how difficult it is to put the figures in.
It is a bit hard.
It is a bit hard, isn't it? We done the first video and we tried to put the figures in to show people, but it was quite difficult to fit the figures in.
Yeah,
so
that was our practice.
That was our practice, wasn't it? And we really struggled to put the figure in the driver's side, didn't we? Because the steering wheel actually makes it really difficult, doesn't it? Yeah. So should we have a go? We haven't got the right figure, really. You wanted to use...
There's a person. There's Fireman Sam. This is Fireman Sam. But he can come like that, but he doesn't have that kind of face.
So basically, this is the Fireman Sam that you would put in Jupiter, but the one we're holding has got a tank on the back. So you can't actually put this one in the Jupiter van, can you, in the Jupiter fire engine?
Yeah, they can't put them in at all.
But you can buy one without the tank on the back, but we don't know where we've put ours at the moment, so we'll put him back. Put him back there. So let's try and put a normal figure in to show everybody.
Okay, that will be steel.
Okay.
It will be easy to fit in.
Wow, no, that was really easy, wasn't it? We struggled with a bigger figure like Tom Thomas, didn't we? Or
it was those two.
Those two.
Because they're not in the right costume.
Okay.
That's for Neptune.
And I think the thing is, Officer Steele's got shorter legs, so he can fit in easily.
Yeah, because Station Officer Steele is quite small.
Yeah.
I would be taller than him.
Okay. So, what else do we want to tell people about this fire engine?
There's a ladder.
Yep.
It can turn it all over. So it will be like this.
So you can put the figure in there.
I'm going to rescue these iron. It's just got a bit stuck.
Oh!
It's okay, that's not...
You're supposed to rescue him, not knock him off the tree.
Sorry, that's not part of it.
Okay, so usually...
That was sometimes you can knock it over by mistake.
Okay, so this is to try and rescue
Stuff.
This is an example of how you can use the ladder.
Got that.
Excellent.
And you can also use it for high up fires. So like if there's a fire on the roof.
Okay.
Whee!
I think the only other thing to mention is that this Jupiter, we put these stickers on, didn't we?
Yeah, we put those stickers on. It doesn't actually come with them.
No. We just thought it would look good. You came up with that idea, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you think it's a toy that children will like?
Yeah, it will be a really good toy.
Okay. Right. So that's is that the end of our toy review for Jupiter?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Thank you.
For watching.
Okay, and we'll see you soon.
Yeah.
And if you like the video, let us know.
Yeah, and you can always watch us again. We'll be doing different ones.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you.
And next we'll do Venus.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.